In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio in Asana. A portfolio in Asana is a high-level hub where you can group related projects, see their status at a glance, and keep stakeholders aligned without digging into every task. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized portfolio that makes tracking progress effortless. Start by heading to Asana's login page. Choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account. If your organization uses Google Sign-In, this is the fastest way in. After you click your account, give Asana a moment to load and take you to your workspace home. Once you're in, look for Portfolios in the left sidebar. This is where all your portfolios live. If you don't see it, you may need access through your plan or team permissions, but assuming it's there, click it to open the portfolio area. Next, click Create Portfolio. You'll be prompted to name it. Pick a clear, searchable name that reflects the group of projects you're tracking, something like Marketing Q1 Initiatives or Product Launch 2025. Consistent naming conventions make it easier for teammates to find what they need later. Before moving on, set the privacy. Decide whether this portfolio should be visible to your team or kept private while you set it up. Public to team is great for transparency. Private is useful if you're still organizing or working on sensitive initiatives. Choose what fits your workflow and audience. Now set the default view. Select the layout that best supports how you want to scan information. A list view is ideal for quick sorting and filtering. A timeline-style view helps you spot scheduling overlaps and sequencing. You can always switch views later, but picking the right default ensures everyone lands on the most useful perspective first. Click Continue to create the portfolio shell. From here, select Add Projects. You'll see an interface where you can find the projects you want to include. Add only the projects that belong in this collection so your portfolio remains focused and easy to interpret. When you're ready, click Go to Portfolio, then select the projects you want to add to this portfolio. As projects are added, you'll see key details populate, like status, owners, dates, and progress, giving you a real-time overview. Keep the list tight, prioritize active work, and don't be afraid to refine later as priorities change. That's it. You've logged in, opened portfolios, created one with the right name, privacy, and default view, and added the projects that matter. You're now set up to monitor progress, communicate status, and keep your team on track in one centralized place.